Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by powering off your Xbox Series X and TV. Unplug and reseat the HDMI 2, one cable firmly on both ends. Confirm the TV input is set to the correct 4K 60Hz HDMI port. On many TVs, enable HDMI UHD color or HDR input for that port. Avoid routing through older AV receivers or splitters that may disable HDR. After reconnecting, power on the TV first, then the console to ensure a proper handshake and HDR negotiation. Open Settings on your Xbox and go to General, then TV and Display Options. Select Resolution and choose 4K UHD if available. Under Video Modes, allow 4K, HDR10, and Auto HDR when your game supports it. If your display supports Variable Refresh, also allow Variable Refresh for smoother motion. Return and run the TV and display connection test to confirm HDR and 10-bit output. Complete the HDR calibration using the built-in test images to set comfortable brightness and color levels. If HDR is missing or looks incorrect, check for console and TV firmware updates. Install any pending updates and then restart both devices to apply changes. If problems persist, temporarily disable HDR on the Xbox, reboot, then re-enable HDR to reinitiate the handshake. Swap the HDMI cable with a known good HDMI 2, one cable, and test a different TV HDMI port. As a final step, test HDR with another HDR game or the display's HDR demo to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.